22-year-old Pooja Chauhan, a TikTok star from Beed district, a resident of Pearly Town, succumbed to injuries after she had a fall from the first floor from this very building on 7th of February. An accidental death has been registered with Wanodi police. The type lead police officer, the investigating officer, though he is not coming in front of the camera, he has shared that the post-mortem report reflects that Pooja Chauhan had serious head injury, spinal cord injury, and that led to her death. The owner of this flat, Mr. Gaikwad, who is working with Maharashtra police, he has shared that it was on 1st of January that he had made an agreement with Arun Rathod, who used to stay over here. But on 30th of January, Mr. Vinay Gaikwad, the owner of this flat, came to know that Arun Rathod, along with Pooja Chauhan and yet another person, was staying over here, and that is the reason he objected. How come, if the registration is with on the name of Arun Rathod, no other person, particularly a girl staying with them, won't be allowed? And so he requested Arun Rathod to look out for some other place, and that is what was promised by Arun. But in coming 7 days, such an incident happened. Now here you can see that the vehicle of Pooja Chauhan, the two-wheeler owned by Pooja Chauhan, is still parked over here. The residents of this place, they are saying that it was rare that they spotted the three of them living together, and so they are unable to share any information about Pooja Chauhan or the series of incidents that happened on 7th February. The other people from this colony, they are also maybe retired police officials. They are saying, they are sharing that this colony is spread over an area of 6 acres. People, officers, police constables, police personals working with Maharashtra police have been staying over here. They have their own houses built over here. The reason for Pooja Chauhan's death is yet a mystery. Now, India Today even spoke to Pooja Chauhan's family in Pearly Town. Her father, Lahuji Chauhan, he said that the kind of news going all around should be immediately stopped, because Pooja Chauhan, the reason behind her death might be the tension that she was carrying. Lahuji Chauhan also shared that it was around 25 lakh of bank loan which Pooja had borrowed during the lockdown, and she had also started a poultry business. Now the business in a loss, and that is the reason that her father is saying that that might be the reason that she might have taken such an extreme step. But the audio clips which are going viral, the conversation, the discussion going amongst the three people, nowhere we can hear that Pooja Chauhan even uttered a word that she was under pressure of bank or the loan. The words what we could hear are that she wants to meet the accused person. BJP leader Chitra Wagh has accused that a minister from Mahavikas Aghadi, he should be held responsible because he was spotted, or he is being blamed for Pooja Chauhan's death. On the other side, the senior leaders from Mahavikas Aghadi are saying that investigation is going on and police are doing their job. But here in Pune, the police are tight-lipped. They are not ready to divulge any of the information what is going on. So the mystery still continues. What is the reason for Pooja Chauhan's death?